Teachers, can you speak English at all times? Gamayan ang Cebuano, Bisaya na.
Yes, sir. So now, as you can see here, I highlighted the title. So can you please read everyone?
Law Presenting Research.
But first, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Papoy together with my co-presenter, Miss Polipano, and we will be going your facilitator for this morning. So now, let's proceed to our objectives for you to know kung sa inyong dapat ma-take. So can you please read number 1?
To organize the law presenting research.
Number 2?
To organize key research sessions in proper order.
And number 3?
To grow understanding by getting most items correct.
All of these are needed to be attained. So now, let's proceed to our rules. So I don't want my class na magbugot. So now, ang ato ang rules na ay acronym. My rules is BC. So M stands for make learning fun. Then I, involve yourself in learning. Not just ako lang ang mag-involve sa inyo ha. Kaya kung walang yung willingness, so dili ta ka learn of taro. Show respect. So respect me as your facilitator, and I will respect you as my students. Stay on task. I don't want distractions. Di ko ganahan yung mag-cellphone while nag-discussing because this topic is very important. Then your best effort always. So now let's review for our previous lesson. So question, what is the purpose of presenting a research topic? Okay, pahulayan. What is the purpose of presenting a research topic?
So the purpose of presenting a research topic.
Louder, don't louder.
So the purpose of presenting a research topic.
Sinang louder?
So we present our research topic because it is our way of showing our ideas, all the data we've gathered, so that para maibawa na ito kung sa mga gaps and doon sa mga need na ito pambuhato.
Okay, very good. So this means na-join nakatunan pagka-previous class. So now, let's proceed to our first activity. Our first activity, titled, can you please read everyone? Walang energy. Again.
Arrange it right.
Very good. So, for the directions, i-group ka mo into 4 groups. So, I already sent the groupings katong i-follow up kung ikamit ng pagkaniagi. And then, all you have to do is to organize key research sections in proper order. So, Ms. Tulipano will distribute some strips sa katong by group. And, sorry class, ang inyong buhaton kay inyong i-arrange gikan sa una hangtod sa kinalasan. So, the first group who correctly arrange it first will be declared as winner. So, daog-daog dahil. Andam na ba?
Andam na.
So, na-distribute na kanan. Okay, so, paano na siya? And i-arrange siya gikan sa una hangtod sa kinalasan. I-file lang sa inyong cubicle. Wala di ko na-by group, nag-individual na rin. Tabagin ninyo ang nagpupong sa stream. Tulong lang lang. So by arranging these streams, may bawa na to kung naminaw ba dun sa inyong research.
I-post ba?
Daan? Can you please raise your hand na lang if done?
Raise your hand. Guys.
Everyone, please say what I introduction and background session of streams. Wala? Group 2, kay sila ang unang nagpamangge. Okay, guys. Okay, so anong Tagalog? 5 clocks ang group 2. 4, 3, 2, start! Okay, very good. So let's proceed to our next activity. I have two questions. So what is the purpose of research defense? Pero din nakapipinsan mo sa yung research pag senior high? Tanan ba? All of you? So what is the purpose of research defense? Anyone? Mag-asig. Sige, what is the purpose of research defense? In your own word lang.
Louder bro, hindi mo makalungga.
Sige, sila. Palingo.
So, for us to know na kung say mga kuwang sa inyong mga research kung sa pa yung mga ma-improve yung research.
Okay. The next question, are the steps in research process flexible enough to be presented in a different order? Pwede ba magkabali-bali nga? Magpunang sa kinalasan, musa sa kinaunhan? Pwede? No. Because research is known for systematic, no? Meaning, magsunod yung dapat siya. So I have here 11 kabuok. The flow of presenting research. So kaning 11 kabuok mo, dapat include ninyo sa inyong presentation whenever discuss na mo or present na mo sa inyong topic. So let's proceed to, okay, can you read all of this? Start with one. Number 1.
Slide title.
Number 2.
Introduction and background.
Number 3.
Statement of the problem.
4.
Conceptual and theoretical framework.
5.
Review of related literature.
Then 6.
Methodology.
7.
Results and findings.
8.
Discussion.
9.
Conclusion.
10.
Recommendations.
And 11.
References.
Okay, so let's proceed to number 1. Slide title. So from the word itself, slide title. Kung sa may naa sa slide title? Title. Not just title. Ang title mo yung i-highlight para makaibaw ang panelist. I-interview nila sa inyong slide na mauna inyong title. Then, ang sunod, ang researchers, kamo, by group karon or inyong name. Then next is the research advisor, and then the program or year-end section as well as the date of defense. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2, the introduction and background. So, kaning tulong ka bullet bill, kahit mga question na itanim na doon o ikaduha. Kanin mo ay dapat ninyo i-include sa inyong slide. So, first, what the study is about. Unsa man dahil about inyong study. Naka-determine na ba mo about sa inyong study? Okay, so next, why the study is important. So, nga importante ba ninyong study? Makakuan mo na siyang solution sa usap ka community? Sure mong makahatag na, kaya kung wala na ihatag na solution, dili ka mag-research. Okay, kaya kung mag-research ta, there is a problem. So next is the context of the problem. So na problem ang inyong research? Na inyong dapat tubangon. Okay, very good. So wala natin questions sa number 2. Okay, so let's proceed na lang sa number 3. Number 3 is the SOP or Statement of the Problem. So inyong statement of the problem, daghan bang questions? So make sure nga in your statement of the problem, wala redundancy, okay? So this general problem and as well as the specific questions. So specific questions mo to inyo tubagon right after makagather mo data o makakamo sa results. Then next, number 4, conceptual and theoretical framework. So conceptual and theoretical. So mo ni ang tulo, diagram of variables. So again, what are the two types of variables? Very good. literature na mo makasupport sa inyo ang research. So next, explanation of relationships. Dili relationships about boyfriend and girlfriend, kundi relationships sa inyo ang variables. So this one here, mo niyang example that appearing. Then, paklaro ba everyone? So tara, mindset theory, daghan na siya theory. Then, ang legal basis mo to ang about sa curriculum sa K-12. Then, ang ilahang mga variables. Then, ang ilahang likuan niya output. So, wala na question about number 4? Sure. Okay, so let's proceed to number 5. Number 5, review of related literature. So, tanan ba nag-RRL? Nabay mga claims sa inyong mga ipambutang itong paragraphs. Okay, so key themes from related studies. Then, relation to your topic. Makatabang ka na sa inyong topic, makasupport ka na sa inyong topic. So, dapat relevant ang inyong mga ipakita na support or claim para sa inyo. Kaya dili man, ang mobile manggod kay magbuot lang yan, dili day mao, dili day relevant sa ilang research problem. Then, identify gaps. So, kailan naman mo gaps? Tanan mo. Sure na na. Okay, what is gap? Okay, very good. So, itong Tagalog, 3 class. See? Anaviso. Okay, 1, 2. So, let's proceed to number 6. Methodology. Method. Unsa man day ang procedure sa inyong mga pag-gather of data. So, nata din research design. Tanan ba na research design? Okay, so respondents. Na respondents? Okay, sampling procedure. Okay, lamok sampling procedure. There are 2 types of sampling. Non-probability and probability sampling. So, it depends to you guys kung sa inyong gamiton. Pero mas i-prefer ang katong probability sampling. Then, instruments. Ang inyong gamiton ng questionnaire. Then, ang sunod, data gathering of statistical tools. Then, next, 7, results or findings. So, ang nadiri, more on tables and interpretations sa table itself. So, tara, tables, graphs, and summarized findings. Mo ang example sa usa ka research. Nadiri ang ilahang mga questions, ang weighted average, o ang ilahang interpretation sa kada weighted average. So, wala na questions about results or findings. Okay, so let's proceed to number 8. Mura lang yung gila ay, iluka mo? Okay, so, discussion. Ang sa discussion, nadiri ang interpretation of the results, katong gi-interpret na ang results, o ang connection to theories or literature. So, ang result pa nag-connect pa sa inyong theories, then ang patterns o kang insights. So, kanyang discussion, this is important class kay hindi nyo man ninyo ma-explain ng tarong ang inyong research. Okay, so next, number 9, the conclusion. So, ang kanyang conclusion, it answers the research question. So, sa ganitong research questions, research questions, muna dapat ninyo tupagon sa inyong research. So, summary of what the study revealed. So, meaning, i-summarize na ninyong conclusion o ang kanang result sa inyong study. So, kanang result, gikan penas pag-gather ninyo o data. So, wala na question about conclusions. Wala na. Okay, let's proceed to number 10. Recommendations. Familiar ba tayo sa recommendations? Okay, very good. So, for the first bullet, for institutions. Then second, for future researchers. Then for program or practice improvement. So, dili na lang kita mo deeper ani. Basta pa rin tulog ka vote, dapat na siya sa inyong slide. So, next, pinaka-last is ang references. So, kaning references mo, jud ni importante since researcher man tayo, researcher is dapat honest. Honest ba tanan or gidugas ninyo ang date sa inyong RRL. If it's 2009, release dan, gihimong 2020. EPA 7 edition format. So, na-delete, di ba, naman money, kaya na-discuss naman ipag ni Ate. And dapat mo-reflect siya sa sources kaya yung gigamit sa actual study. Again, need na ito mag-cite, need na ito mag-give credit sa inyo ang gigamit ng mga kuan word, kaya na ma-plagiarize niya ka. Okay, so plagiarism is an act where an individual uses someone else's work without proper credit. Okay, so wala na question sa katong 11 kabuo. Again, so sa ito pinakauna, slide title. Okay, so andam na sa next activity. So for our next activity, can you please read the title? Pass the box. Okay, so for the directions, along with music, so mananaw ta, mambarog, I encourage everyone to stand kay murag ituka ako ba na napiling. Tapos sa mga problema. Okay, so along with music, just pass the box and pass the whole box until the music stops. Kay magbunot. Okay, magbunot na. Ano ba yung bunot? Kaya namin na siya yung quiz. Ang quiz ating, kay dili question ang nadiling. O dili, name sa inyong classmate. So, kung minsan mabunutan mo, yung mabag sa question. Anyway, nakita mo, so wala tayong problema. Makalipaw na ito. Gusto mong kanta? Okay, so please stand ito. Ipasa. Okay, everyone. Ipasa. Dapat mag-clap mo kay pag-isip ka. Sige. Okay, question number 2. Which part of the research paper does specific questions found? Which part of the research paper does specific questions found?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. So please, pumunta into class. Without proper credit. Later. Follow step by step. So very good. Next, answer me. See must so friendly. True or false? Research is free from biases. Research is free from biases. So true siya, dili man dapat bias ang research, di ba? Kaya kung mag-bias ang research, meaning dishonest ang researcher. Very good. So let's proceed to number 5. So bunot. Okay, so Mendoza, number 5. True or false? Research is subjective. Research is subjective. Very good. False. Nano, hindi ba siya subjective? Research is on facts. Very good. So now, ato Tagalog, pagpang ang tanan niya. Now, I will give the floor to Miss Coripano kay siya ang magbasis Miss Salima kay kanina. Sige mo ka panahon natin. Okay, you're exhausted today, everyone? Are you still there? Are you still alive? Yes, ma'am. Di pa na naman di pa nakapagpuntanan sa ato activities. So now let's proceed to our assessment, your favorite part. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer us. So letter N, Carlos rather. So first question, please read the direction, everyone.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
So number 1, what should be clearly stated at the beginning of a defense presentation? A, research budget. B, research problem. C, names of all members. D, school rules. So who wants to answer? Please. Okay, so very good. Next question. So question number 2. Which part explains how the researchers conducted the study? A, introduction. B, methodology. C, conclusion. D, acknowledgement. So who wants to answer? Yes, please. So again. Very good. Next one. Item number 8. Science. So, what is usually shown in the result section 3 and
Data and findings.
Okay, very good. Now, item number 4. What is the purpose of the discussion part of the defense? A. To interpret what the results mean. B. To introduce the candidates. C. To read the questionnaire. D. To show the RRL again. So, who wants to answer? Yes, please. Okay, correct. Next, the item number 5, which is the last. What should be included in the conclusion of a defense presentation? A. Random facts. B. A summary of major findings. C. The entire survey form. D. Every graph used. So, who wants to answer? Yes, please.
Summary of major findings.
Yes, that's correct. So di ba na-answer naman tayo? So, let's give a good job clap to everybody. Okay, wala bang mga ikaw, no? So, ana siya. J-O-O-D-J-O-D, good job. Good job. So, everybody, sa nag-get sa mo? J-O-O-D, J-O-O-D, good job. Good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job. Again, G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, 4. Again, everybody from 4, 3, 2, start. Now let's proceed to our assignment. So, for your assignment, study in advance the topic interpreting and discussing research findings. So, for our concluding activity, decide maka-enumerate sa 11 ka-flow sa So, gonna 11 ka-flow sa presenting or research defense. If for example na ay for example kay magtawag ko isa to enumerate 3. So sunod na po ako tawag mo enumerate na po siya 3. So ina na lang para dili na sa to. Isa yan lang isa muna. Sige, please. So yes, very good. Let's give us 5 claps. 1, 2. The next, so what's the meaning again? Okay. Let's give up 5 claps. So who wants to continue? Yes, please. Okay, very good. So let's give up 5 claps. 1, 2, 3. So since we already have done discussing, I'll call on my partner, which is his favorite. Okay, so now, since sumanaman tayo, I hope you learned something. And as you can see, na-achieve mo na itong atong objective, no? So, atong tagaan, pakpak ang tanan, okay?
Mana sir? Mana best?